All right, this is gonna be a weird video because I have nobody to record me, so I gotta kind of make it work. I have like a really cool phone case that sticks to glass, so I'm gonna jump in the pool for a couple minutes, go outside for I don't know how long, but the thing is, right now it's negative 14 degrees Celsius, 8 degrees Fahrenheit. It's at night, and it's really windy, and there's ice everywhere on the ground. So this is by far the most cold I've ever going to expose myself to. You can probably hear the wind in the background. So I'm going to jump in the pool for a couple minutes. I don't have a timer, so I'm going to go for 2 minutes and see how I feel in my head. And that door is actually frozen shut, because it hasn't been open in a few days. So I have to take the phone back, run around, go out the other door, stick it to the glass, hopefully it sticks, and then go outside. So let's do this. Now it's very important to note that don't do this. Don't do this without the proper training. I've been training for this for months. I trained directly under Wim Hof. So I know what to do and how to do it. You can get really hurt if you don't know what you're doing. So if you want me to teach you how to do it, I'd love to. But don't do it without having someone show you. 120. Time to go outside, motherfuckers. All right, so while I'm walking, I'm gonna talk. It's important to watch out for a thing called after drop. After drop is when you release yourself from the cold temperature, but your core body temperature begins or continues to drop. So that's one of the things you really gotta watch out for when you're doing this kind of stuff. I'm trained to recognize that, so I know what I'm doing. All right, I'm going outside. Let's hope this case wants to work. Willingly exposing yourself to the cold, willingly exposing yourself to extreme temperatures like this prepares yourself for unexpected stresses. That's why I'm doing this. Prepare my mind for whatever may come that I do not know is coming. Last night, during the full blood moon, I wrote down things that I want to do, that I want out of myself. The first thing I said was I want to love myself. I do love myself, but I want to love myself more. I want to respect my time. I want to value my time. I am the master of my reality. Huh.